Hello everyone, a few months ago I made this green wall in our garden. As an upgrade, I now provide a Gardena water system. Oh help, so many choices. After a lot of searching, finally found everything. Let's go home. I show you all the parts one used for my Plantwall. First time doing this, so it's going to be a bit of a search. The first cube's already installed, still a lot to go. Let's see if everything works. Yay, water is dripping down. It seems to work. Here you see the drip system in action. Come on, little drops. Result after a week, all plants look happier and greener than ever. Happy with the results?